Hello everyone. Size. That vehicle electronics malfunction message in Audi is something we see quite often in the shop. So stick around and I'll explain what it is and how to get rid of it. Look, when a customer comes in with that famous vehicle electronics malfunction warning on their Audi, the first thing we do is make it clear that it's a very general message. The car isn't telling you exactly what's wrong. It's just letting you know that something electronic isn't working the way it should. And of course, that can come from several different things, not just one. Curious. Now, something we hear all the time in the shop is, the car drives fine, but the message pops up, or it went away on its own and then came back. That's when we start suspecting one of the most common causes, the battery or low voltage. Like one of the texts says, when the voltage isn't stable, Audi starts throwing random errors. And it's true, these cars are very sensitive to that. On the other hand, we also get customers who say everything started after replacing the battery or after the car sat unused for several days. In those cases, what often happens is that the electronic modules get a bit out of sync, and the car needs to readjust or recalibrate. Sometimes a simple reset fixes it, but other times it needs a little more help. Building on what we see every day, another very common cause is faulty sensors, or sensors sending incorrect data. It could be an engine sensor, a brake sensor, or anything else. When the car detects inconsistent information, it triggers that general warning. Some customers say, "It was just one sensor and I got that big warning." And yes, that's how these systems work. They group everything under one message. We also can't ignore wiring or connection issues because they cause more problems than people think. We've had cars where everything pointed to something serious, and it ended up being a loose connector or moisture in a connection. One customer even said, "I thought it was the transmission," and it turned out to be just a bad connection. We fixed it, and that was it. Meanwhile, there are cases where the issue does come from a specific electronic module, like ABS, steering, or transmission. In those situations, the car usually gives more clues, like additional warning lights or noticeable changes in how it behaves. As one of our shop techs says, at that point, no guessing, you've got to scan it. When a customer wants a clear solution, we always follow a process. Check the battery, verify voltage, scan the car, and identify which sensor or module is failing. Many times we even do a reset by disconnecting the battery for a few minutes. And if the error doesn't come back, it was something temporary. But if it returns, then it's time to fix whatever is actually causing the issue.